Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery and I'm so happy you're here today. So, Crochet Society. Let's talk about it. I am a subscriber to the bi-monthly boxes. I also have their advent calendar right here, both of which came to me damaged. What is it? But let's see what's inside box 45. This is the Christmas box. And as you can see, it's seen better days. Because it was sent to me in just a paper wrapper. Just had a little flimsy wrapper around it. No. Because this happens. Let's hope nothing inside is damaged. Okay, you guys first. Ooh, pink paper. All is bright. Okay. First of all, my favorite part, fluff. I don't know what it is about Crochet Society, where they get their fluff, but it is like the softest fluff on the planet. Smells good too. Here is the yarn. Let me just take a peek. 100% acrylic. Phew. Oh, it's soft. Stylecraft Impressions. Aran weight. So what can I tell you about it? It's 100% acrylic, approximately 240 yards. And made in Turkey. Looking for washing instructions. Machine washable and cool tumble to dry. Cool iron, and it may be dry cleaned. Use a 4.5 millimeter knitting needle and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. It is extremely soft. I don't know what I'm going to make with this, but it is soft. So. And that's the only skein of yarn. That's right, I just remembered. I got an email the other day from Crochet Society that said we will be getting another package because almost every box forgot the other skein of yarn. So we'll be getting the other skein of yarn. And I might wait to post this until I get that yarn. I haven't decided, but anyway. This looks like a tassel maker. Ooh, fancy. This is the kind of stuff I'm hoping is in there. The advent calendar. You know, nice quality tools like this. Hoping. And then of course we always get a stitch marker. This one is a Christmas tree. That you guys can see. Ooh, I guess we're making an ornament. Interesting. Okay. More fluff. Safety eyes, maybe? It's just this little white envelope. Yeah, just tear it open. Come on. Yep, safety eyes. Earring findings. This one I'll try and remove the sticker, I think. Oh, I wonder if we're crocheting some earrings with that yarn? Okay. But here, it's the stuff to, you know, make earrings. And there's about 6 in here, I would say. And we got this is the book. Oh, hook. 2 hooks. Oh no. So this is a 0.75 millimeter. That's right. No numbers in front, just 0.75. So tiny. And this says embroidery thread. I don't know about this. There's a bunch of colors in here. So we've got this peach color, yellow, and green. Oh, it's the colors on the box. See? The yellow is supposed to be the gold. Yeah, it's the colors on the box. Clever. I have a feeling this goes in there and you're supposed to use that 0.75 for it. Not me. I don't think so. But we'll see. You know, never say never, right? This is the crochet hook. It is a 5 millimeter. It's got a bunch of dots on it. Kind of fun. Good thick grip. Thank you, Crochet Society. And it will go right here. This was the perfect place to do this because right here is my Crochet Society and Crochet Now polymer hook collection. This is Crochet Society's book, and the patterns are by these 3 people. On the back is always the conversion guide. Let's see what we're making. Prancer the reindeer. Personalized Prancer with your choice of colors and festive embroidery. Designed by the Geeky Knitter, also known as Jenny Conduit. So that is our reindeer that we can make. Okay. Everything inside your box, and I was correct. That gold thing was a tassel maker. Okay. Here are the earrings. Oh, that's what they want you to do. I can do that. I can do that. I've done that before, but I'm not using that hook. Okay, so here are the earrings they want you to make. I actually make stitch markers and project keepers in like 1 or 2 weight yarn that are just granny squares and stuff, so I can do this. And this is by Zoe Putrak. Sorry. I might be doing terrible injustice to that name. A little bit about the yarn. Oh, a rocking horse ornament. Okay. I think I have to make this one. Not with this yarn. I'm not feeling it for this pattern, but oh, this one's pretty cute. So there is a code on this page, and I need to cover it. Oh wait, maybe I can do this. Yeah, perfect. So this is the rocking horse ornament, an iconic little decoration for your tree that you can pop this little chap inside your extra large bauble, this thing, designed by Jenny Conduit, also known as the Geeky Knitter. And that's a cute idea. Baby's first Christmas, that would be precious. All my friends' kids are not babies anymore, but be fun just to do for anyway, you know. Oh, so here we go. They've got a picture of it inside the little bauble, and I gotta cover up the pattern, but you can see it inside. So cute. So are we using the 5mm that we got to make that? I'm looking. No, they want you to use a 3.5. Okay. Here is the scarf. Okay, Beneath the Tree scarf, designed by Mary Rengie. That's lovely. Look at that. And then if you like the hat, it's a bonus pattern. Isn't that cute? Let's see if there's another picture. Maybe where we can see the stitches close up. Oh, no. No. Sorry, no. Then they show you how to use the tassel maker. Good, I really didn't want to figure that out myself. Lots of pictures. And then they show people's makes from past boxes and stuff. Oh, we get another pattern. Wait, what is this? Bobble and Chic cardigan. Be bright and merry on Christmas Day with this fun cardigan. Ooh. This looks fun. This is by Lauren Willis, also known as Manatee Squares on Instagram. Okay. I think I can show you this page. Yeah, it's just the details about what you need and stuff. It's not the pattern, so. Isn't that cute? Look. That is super cute. And y'all are gonna love this. Goes all the way to a 5X. Size inclusive patterns, people. Yes. Thank you. Okay, there's a whole lot of writing on this page that I can't show you, but I want to show you the back of this sweater. Hold on. Okay, can you see that? There's the back of the sweater. A lot of diamond pattern in this cardigan. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Ooh! The next box is limited edition, and it is really pretty. That is a pretty cover for that box. And then, of course, they ask you to subscribe and everything. But they want you to know that the next one will be a limited edition. And it's pretty. Look at that. That looks fancy. So we'll probably get that one in January or February. I don't know. I can't keep track of when the US actually gets their stuff. So, but that was the patterns. That was everything that was in the box. Thoughts? Love the rocking horse. Super cute. The yarn is very soft. I'm wondering if the other skein that we're missing is for the cardigan or if it's another one of these. The cardigan looked like it would take a lot more than 2 skeins of yarn. And they didn't show this yarn. So I wonder if it was just a bonus pattern because it's Christmas. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, love the tassel maker. I've always wanted one of these, and I've always wanted a bellacoco Crochet Society one, so I kind of got one. And making earrings, okay. Not as terrible, but there's no need to use a hook this tiny. I can use my 2mm just fine and still get a really cute earring. So this will probably go into my crafting supplies. I like to do things with my hooks that I don't use anymore. If you want to know what that's all about, you should subscribe to the channel. Just a thought. Anyway, so I'm going to give this box 6 out of 10. You know, a little better than half, just not quite a C, you know. I think it could have been more. The reindeer confuses me, but that's not my vibe. Maybe it's your vibe. Great. You'll love making the reindeer. I just didn't understand what was going on. If I made him without all the weird embroidery, I would make him with 2 or 3 colors. That's just me. Not with this yarn, but I think I definitely want to make the rocking horse. Oh, he's so cute. That'd be such a cute little thing. And I do want to try and put it in the bobble. So I think I want to try that one. So I think I might do that next year. Because that's the nice thing. You know, you have the book forever, as long as you don't lose it. So go ahead and use the book. And the codes that I couldn't show you were extra help. So they've got video tutorials that go with every pattern, which is really nice if you get stuck. So, but I've done patterns out of just the book, and I didn't need the tutorial. But in case you do, they have it, and I think that's really nice. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. I had a decent time opening this. I always love opening my fluff. That's my favorite. You can subscribe to Crochet Society if you wish. I will, of course, link their website down below. I am not affiliated in any way. I just get my boxes and I tell you what I think. So that's it. That's all I've got for you. Thank you for coming with me to unbox this. What did you think? Let me know down below. What are your thoughts whenever I do these Crochet Society unboxings? I'm curious. Be nice, but be honest. And, you know, I'm just here to let you guys know what my experience is. Your experience may be completely different. The stitch marker, of course, is always a favorite of mine. I love the little stitch markers. They're in every box and they make me so happy. The hooks make me happy when the polymer clay is done properly. And in this case it was. So, advent calendar, you hear that? You better have good hooks. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.